name is Sela. I'm the medical coordinator of the project abroad. I am a qualified doctor and also I'm a specialist in the pediatrics. Currently now I'm working with project abroad is about like 5 years. Yeah, I have a full experience with the medicine project and also with the public health project too.
So we have actually a few placements to do the health checkup for the adults, and then here the placement on Silk Island is one of them. The people here cannot afford to go to the hospitals or clinic. They are very welcoming, so like we feel as if we are really welcome.
Anyone can like apply for the public health because like we currently now we have the volunteers like finish their high school and everything. They don't know like what they want to do in the future, and also especially for the pro volunteer like professional volunteer also because I can share the experience with them as well.
We've been doing outreach campaigns about awareness of hygiene and how should they brush their teeth and have a healthy life, as well as treating people like if they got any toothaches or like any wounds they have to clean, as well as now we're doing some blood pressure for diabetes and everything.
My nickname is Kate, and my main role is to coordinate the volunteers, support them with their work, and try to be like a very important channel of communication from local people to our volunteers and from our volunteers to the local people.
This is my first time in Cambodia, and so I never imagined that I would love this country this much. People are so nice and very friendly. Every day I enjoy my life here.
Most of them like travel on weekend to see like many beautiful places.
My favorite one's been the Siem Reap trip when we got to see Angkor Wat and another temples. And also I went to Kampot, which is the coast in Cambodia, and it was really nice and the food was great.
Project Abroad staff are very nice and with much hospitality, and I'm really happy with the accommodation itself. So it's like there is no complaint.
Go for it, it's fun, you'll meet great people, you do lots of things, you get to be out of your comfort zone and just try new things basically. I really recommend it.